Hello students, welcome to Success Vlogs. Today I am going to discuss area theorem of similar triangles. Please like, subscribe and click on bell icon so you are able to get notification of my videos. Today's theorem is area of similar triangles. The statement is the ratio of area of two similar triangles is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Now what is given? We are having two triangles and that two triangles are similar. In given you can write triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and what you have to prove? Ratio. Ratio means divide. When you divide area of ABC divided by area of PQR, that should be equal to square of the ratio. Square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Now which corresponding sides are there? AB, PQ. So we have to prove AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC QR. BC square upon QR square. So you have to write the corresponding side, ratio of the corresponding side. And the third side is AC square upon PQ square. PR square. AC square upon PR square. Now let us draw the diagram. We are having a triangle ABC and PQR. Because triangles are similar, the shape should be same, size can be different. These two triangles are similar. If these two triangles are similar, it means the sides, corresponding sides are proportion and corresponding angles are equal. You have to keep it in mind. When two triangles are similar, it means corresponding sides are proportion and corresponding angles are equal. Now we have to prove area of ABC. What is area? Area of triangle ABC means half base into height. So if I have to find area, so we need height. So for that we have to create a height. That's a construction. AM, PN both are height. Height means perpendicular. So this same you have to write in the construction. AM perpendicular on BC and PN perpendicular on QR. Proof. Area of ABC divided by area of PQR. Take the left hand side of your to proof. Area means half base into height. AM is the height. If AM is the height, it means BC is the base. Base into height. Area of triangle PQR, half. PN is the height. It means QR is the base. Half is going to be cancelled. You can write like separate. BC upon QR multiply AM upon PN. Take it as equation number 1. Now just see. What is similar in the 2 proof and in equation number 1? We have started from area of ABC divided by area of PQR and we have reached BC upon QR, but we need BC square upon QR square. If I can make here BC upon QR in place of AM upon PN, if I am able to write BC upon QR, then you multiply and it will be BC square upon QR square. So our target is we have to write here BC upon QR. It means we have to prove AM upon PN is equal to BC upon QR. For that, just see, What is BC? BC is one of the sides of the similar triangle. And AM is a height. If I am able to prove these two triangles are similar, we know that two triangles are similar by some criteria: SAS, angle, and SS. So here we can say angle B is equal to angle Q. Why? Because triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. When two triangles are similar, corresponding angles are always equal. Angle B corresponding to angle Q on the same position. Corresponding means on the same position. As well as if I write angle 1, angle 2, both are perpendicular. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, each 90. In these two triangles, two angles are same. By angle similarity, we can say two triangles are similar. The first is ABM is similar to PQN by angle similarity. If two triangles are similar, sides are proportion. Corresponding sides are proportional. Now, how we have to write the proportionality? AB upon PQ is equal to BM upon QN is equal to AM upon PN. Take it as equation number 2. In the starting, we are having ABC and PQR both are similar. It means sides are proportion. Which sides? Sides are in proportion. Sides are proportional. Which side? Corresponding sides. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Take it as equation number 3. Compare second and third. When you compare second and third equation, you can see AB upon PQ in second equation as well as AB upon PQ in third equation. Both are same. If both are same, it means we can say all ratios are same. So here it's a BC upon QR, and from second equation I have taken AM upon PN. So what's our target? In the place of AM upon PN, we want to fill BC upon QR. Let's see. In place of AM upon PN, we want to fill BC upon QR. So you have to put this in the first equation. It means area of ABC divided by area of PQR is equal to BC upon QR multiply BC upon QR. So what we got? BC square upon QR square. Similarly, we can say area of ABC upon area of PQR. Ratio of area of two triangle is equal to square of their corresponding sides. AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. Hence proved. Thanks a lot.